Alright, good morning and welcome to the channel, me and Car Keys. So today's video, we are going to paint the chrome bumpers. No, for real, we're gonna paint the chrome bumpers. Alright, come on. Come on! This F-150 came with the chrome package, and there's chrome everywhere. Now we're not doing an all-out chrome delete, but some of it is a bit much. So this is our back bumper. See, all chrome. This is our front bumper. So this is actually what started the whole problem, I guess you could say, where this grill, we put this grill on, and it kind of threw the whole truck off. It threw, because the grill was chrome at first. When the minute I put this grill on, everything looked weird. It just looked so off. All right, y'all. In all honesty, it took me over an hour. I've been working on this bumper for over an hour. Let me show you the problem I'm having. So all the bolts are behind the bumper, except for this one bolt. You can see. There's one bolt right there. That is almost impossible to get off without taking this pad off. And I've already broken some of the clips that are behind, keeping this pad on. Yeah. So yeah, just some tip. With this one bolt right here, you're gonna have to take the pad off just to get to it. Are you serious? Dude, come on, seriously? I broke the whole extension, broke inside. Pause the video. All right, so now that I got the rear bumpers off, I need to take the parking sensor out. Anyway, so before we move on to the next step, which is sanding, we are going to install some things. If I can get that back. We're going to install some flush mount lighting. Put one there, like so. And we're going to put one there. Even like so. All right, and we're also going to install some marker lights. Which one's going to go around about there. Done. It is 3:30. I've been working on this since like 9 o'clock this morning, and I've only gotten one. So, tip of the day. Tip of this whole project. Don't buy cheap tools. If you're gonna buy tools, don't buy cheap tools. This is my little rotary tool that I've been using. Came from Walmart, and it'll cut for about 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and it'll stop. So don't buy cheap tools. If you're gonna buy tools, you can plan on doing projects like this, you plan on doing multiple projects, buy real tools. Buy real good tools that'll last and that's gonna actually get the job done. This right here, where's the logo? So you can, this right here, it's not. So change of plans. What we're gonna do, we only have this, we're gonna do one front bumper haven't even started on this side. So since we done the inside square of this bumper, we're gonna do the inside square of this bumper. We're gonna take our time, we'll get this one in. We're not doing the 4 squares anymore. We're not doing it. So we're gonna drill this out some more so it can fit our marker lights. We are leaving Home Depot, as you can see in the background. All right, so I was trying to cut these bumpers with my cheap rotary tool, and it was not working. I had cut off disc, and I mean, it started cutting, but it was working, but the rotary tool cut off every like 20 seconds. I mean, it was cheap. I knew it was cheap, but I figured it would cut at least. I mean, I have cutting disc, cut off disc. So I just figured it would cut. I don't know. Anyway, we're leaving Home Depot. We rented a reciprocating saw with a thick metal blade to cut metal. And we're gonna try it again. So I was getting frustrated, and I keep having to talk to myself. I keep having to encourage myself. You know, your ability to adapt to situations is what builds your character. You know what I'm saying? And it's not like, you know, we all gonna get frustrated, we all gonna get mad, we gonna, you know, might throw things, you know. But I mean, like I said, the true character of a person is the way that they bounce back, or the way that they are able to adapt to those type of situations. And that was deep for this video, but that's really what's happening. You know, like I said, I'm at Home Depot. I'm leaving Home Depot, and I had to rent a tool. It cost me $25, $24 for 24 hours. And I mean, it's not that bad, but it's just, you know, I lost time trying to do this, having to go to the store, back for the second time. But it's all good. Like I said, we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. Always stay positive. That's all I'm saying. Always stay positive. No matter what happens, don't give up. Always stay positive. All right, y'all. Step 1 in the paint process. Sorry, this is not step 1. This is like step 12. Anyway, the first, we already sanded and we cleaned it off, and now we're gonna do self-etching primer. Self-etching primer will help actually help the primer stick to the metal, to the bumpers, therefore helping the paint stick to the primer. So, let's go. All right, this is after 3 coats of self-etching primer. Next up, automotive primer. So for our automotive primer, we are using OEM Automotive primer. We're gonna do probably about 3 coats. Well, maybe 2 or 3 coats of this. We'll see. All right, so for paint, we're going with Automotive Touch-Up. I did a test shot earlier, and it is the exact color. Sorry, I did a test shot earlier, and it is the exact color. So let's get started. All right, here we have our finished rear bumpers. I just started putting the marker lights on. So I noticed there are some issues in the paint already. You can see it in the camera here. And I don't know if I just need the wet sand or if that's coming through from something else. I'm not sure, but we'll try the wet sand and see what happens. Alright, there it is. There you have it. It's been a rough couple of days on the bumper project. Thank you for sticking with me. I am extremely happy with how it came out. As you see, we did the two-tone with the black and the silver. And I think it looks pretty good. The only issue that we have so far is that this was supposed to be matte black. Yeah, it came out shiny black, gloss black. And one of the issues that I noticed that it has somewhat of a greenish tint in the sunlight, which is definitely not definitely not what the plan was. It's supposed to be matte black, and we were going to do a matte black vinyl on the hood, so it kind of lined up, kind of match. Either way, I still think it looks good. I still like the way it came out. As for the back, as you see, our marker lights are on. I did not wire up the reverse lights yet. Haven't gotten around to it. Actually ran out of time for this project, so this was as far as I could get in the time period that I had. But yeah, I think the back looks good as well. It did rain already, so it's probably why it looks dirty in the camera, if you can see that. But needless to say, I think it looks pretty good. So, once again, thank you for watching me and Car Keys bumper project. You can paint your chrome. The only thing is, you have to follow the steps. You have to make sure you're prepared and prep it. Prepared and prep, it's the same thing. You have to make sure that you prep very well and don't take any shortcuts. All right, so thank you for watching another video on the Me and Car Keys channel. The bumper project was a success. So till next time, please subscribe. Feel free to like, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Did you like the chrome better, or do you like this better? Either way, leave me a comment. Till next time,